Hey guys, it's Anthony from WCFab, and on the table today we have a Stage 1 intake bundle for your 25 and newer 6.7 Cummins, because quite frankly, these stock parts aren't cutting it anymore. While they may look nice, they're actually going to be a heavy-duty upgrade to replace the stock, flimsy, and just plastic components you've got under the hood of your Cummins. Your stock piping has small, uneven measurements. With the WCFab Stage 1 bundle kit, we're going to get you upgraded to consistent 3.5-inch measurements around the whole entire system. That's going to help with EGT control, turbo spool up, and just overall reliability without having all that plastic in there from the factory. And now what's going to come in this kit is absolutely everything you're going to need for install. Comes with all the clamps needed, your 5-ply silicone boots, and of course, the 14-gauge 3.5-inch mantle bent aluminum piping in your choice of any color here at WCFab. If you want to improve the reliability and airflow of your 25 and newer 6.7 Cummins, give us a call or check out the website and get your kit ordered today.